This is John Cleese Car Audio's YouTube channel, and this is an Isuzu DMAX. Customer came in, wanted Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB, and also wanted it to be connected wirelessly. So what we've done is we've fitted the Kenwood DMX 8021 unit, extremely popular, 3-year warranty when installed by ourselves, and just a great overall unit in general, to be honest with you. So let's show you what it looks like and how it works. What we have done is we've fitted this fascia in to allow us to install a normal 7-inch screen. We've also got the steering wheel controls to work the unit as well. So you've got volume up and down, track up and down, and phone calls. Customer has his own phone bracket here, which they still want to keep. That's why we've left that there. But this is the unit. It has a capacitive touchscreen. So what that means is it's super responsive to use on your finger touch. Very light movements. You don't need to put a lot of pressure on it. This unit from the top has got DAB radio. To get DAB, we've installed a windscreen mounted DAB aerial there. We've got hands-free phone calls. Microphone is situated there. And obviously the sound for the calls come through the speakers of the car. Now let's go into CarPlay. Go to the home screen. So we've now got access to iOS Maps, Google Maps, Waze, and even TomTom if you pay for it. You've also got access to internet radio. So if you go into an area there's no coverage of DAB, you've still got internet radio as long as your phone's got coverage. We've got access to music streaming apps like Tidal, YouTube Music, and if you had Spotify, that would also come up on here. Extremely intuitive. CarPlay is brilliant. If you're an Android phone user, you've got Android Auto will appear as well. This unit can also be expanded. If you want to use HDMI in, you can use that, which basically means you can have a lead from your phone directly into mirror it via an iPhone, or you could put like an Amazon Fire Stick in and watch Netflix, YouTube on the screen. Not while you're moving though, because it's illegal, so it has to be used when you're stopped, obviously. Wireless mirroring from an Android phone, so you can actually mirror your Android phone wirelessly on Wi-Fi on this unit, so no need to even plug your Android phone in. But yeah, absolute cracking finish. Gives the customer exactly what they want and nothing they don't need. But yeah, that's about it. It's Connor from John Cleese Car Audio, from all the boys at John Cleese. We'll see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you later.